Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put about t equal to cosine x plus sin x. Later that, we need to put the power number 2 for the both sides. And now we have the formula in here. That is about a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we need to expand this one into this one. So we have the formula in here. So we know that this one and this one you got number 1. And the next one, 2 sin x cosine x, that is about sin 2x. So for this one we have number 1. This one we have sin 2x. Now because we have sin 2x, I will put number 1 go to the left. Next, we have x approach to b over 4. That means I will put b over 4 go in here and here to find t approach. This one we calculate and we have the square root of number 2. So t approach to the square root of number 2. So this one we need to transform into this one. And this one we need to transform into t. Sin 2x, that is about this one. Now the negative of the square root of number 2 multiplied by this one, and we have like this. So the square root of number 2 with the square root of number 2, we have number 2. Now, the square root of number 2, the square root of number 2, we can do about factorization. Next, the square root of number 2, that is about number 2 to the power of 1 over 2. Number 2, that is about number 1. So we need to combine 2 base in here, and that is about number 2 to the power of 1 plus 1 over 2. And this one, that is about 3 over 2. Now we have the formula in here. Oh, sorry. That should be like this. Now we have the formula in here. So we have a square minus b square equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. And the next one, that is about a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3 equals to a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. So for this one, that is about the square root of number 2 to the power of 3. This one, the square root of number 2 to the power of 2. Now, we need to convert this one into this one, and this one into this one. So we have like this. So this one divided by this one, we have number 1. Now we put the square root of number 2 gone here, here, and here. So we have the final answer. So we calculate this one, and we have number 3 over 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.